That's Papa and Granny, that's right. Mm-mm. In here. No, we're not going to come in. Come over here. Where's your turtle? And your caterpillar? What does it do? Show me. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Got it. I love you dancing.
Sorry. Mommy. That's called that, Mommy.
It's called mauve.
I caught that.
Can you say magenta?
A pink.
Oh, it's pink? Okay.
I said caught that, Mommy.
It's yellow. You know what color that is.
A black.
It's black?
Caught that, Mommy.
What is it?
I said caught Mama.
You tell me.
I said caught now, Mommy.
What color is that, Chloe?
They're working.
Daddy's working? Yeah.
Yes?
What is that?
A tree. I caught that, Mommy.
What color is it, Chloe?
It's a nice Mommy.
Is it brown?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I caught that, Mommy.
I don't know. What color is it?
It's black.
It's black.
I caught that.